Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson. We have Matt back here with us today. And this is a winter storm day here in Houston, Texas. They're shutting down the whole city at noon. So he got in just before noon here. They shut our building down already. The doors were locked already, weren't they? And got security to let him in. But he's halfway through his week's worth of treatment. And if you remember, the first day I saw him, he was bent forward and way to the right. Look at his posture now. And Matt, you're halfway through your treatment plan this week. How would you describe to our YouTube visitors that you're feeling now with these first 4 adjustments?
Oh, awesome. I went on a treadmill yesterday after the second one, and then again after my third one this morning. And I wasn't able to do that for the last 2-3 months.
And are you sleeping better?
Oh, yeah. I slept throughout the whole night. Going to the bathroom fine. Everything's good.
That's great. And you came all the way down here from Ontario, Canada, way out west. California. And our next patient's coming in from New York. So we're seeing people from coast to coast today. And if he can get in the doors. Okay, let's have you close your eyes and bend your head forward and backwards for me then. Yep. And you can see his posture significantly improved from the first day, if you look at his first video. And I look at the biomechanics of a patient every single time they come in. That's the very first thing that I do, because the posture is a mirror of your spinal biomechanics. So that's what I evaluate first. There we go. Yeah, we get a little snow and ice here in Houston. They shut the city down. But we did come in this morning for everyone. A lot of people didn't even do that. We're kind of like the mail. What's the post office saying? Sleet, snow, what?
Rain, sleet, or snow.
Rain, sleet, or snow. Here we are. Now, usually the reflexes still aren't very good on the first one, so let's see how they do after. There you go. Oh, yeah. Home run.
Oh, God.
Yep.
Every time.
Yep. Now, see, you got a little bit of reflex there now. Okay, here's the Palmer Diversified Rotary Brake. There you go. That's it.
Yeah. Wow.
That's a wow adjustment, isn't it? Okay, so let's come over here on your tummy next. Now you're going to see me doing some pretty deep myofascial release techniques on Matt's pelvic musculature. Yes, sir. Face down first. Legs are even now. That's a good start. Stays even. That doesn't hurt too bad, does it?
No.
Oh, yeah. That's a crack addict's favorite cavitation noise. There we go. Good job. Okay, now, Gregory, if you can get in kind of close on this one. I'm putting my elbow right into his lateral gluteus maximus. That's probably pretty tender. And then I'm working my way out here right over his hip joint. Starts the tensor fasciae lata muscle coming down from his ilium. You can see I'm bouncing off of that. That's how significant these muscle spasms are. And I'm working my way down the tensor fasciae lata now. Those are all pretty tender, aren't they? Yeah. It's one of those hurt so good treatments. Didn't hurt me a bit. There we go. Okay, my friend. Let me get your neck here first. Matt's a trooper. He's been getting adjusted twice a day. This would be the third day, or second day, I mean. So this is number 4 out of 8. Hopefully it open Houston back up tomorrow. Be ashamed to come all the way here from California and us not be able to see because they shut the city down. There, okay, slide down this way a little bit. Put your arms out to the sides. Okay, and there's another muscle that's involved here. Relax your hands right there. And that's the psoas muscle.
That's the one.
Right here. Yeah, this one where you're getting a lot of your pain. So I'm putting some deep, steady pressure right down below the anterior superior iliac spine, which is the anterior part of the pelvis. This is the beginning of the psoas muscle. It's pretty tender right there. So I'm going to test the psoas muscle strength. Okay, I'm going to push down, resist. Well, that's a zillion times stronger than it was yesterday.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so I am going to adjust that joint again. There you go. You feel that all the way up there?
Yes, sir.
There you go. Okay. Matt, we're going to do one more adjustment today. Let's come this way. I'm going to come over here on this knee chest table.
Oh, this guy.
Yeah. This is one of my favorites,
Yeah,
actually.
this thing.
Deep worked good, didn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's have you face down there, chest on that.
Just here.
Yeah. And I want you to just kind of let your spine sink down in there. Just kind of let it keep sinking. Oh, yeah. One more. That's it. Okay. Good job. Yeah, you can feel that one deep, huh? Okay, so let's come over here and shoot you. Okay. Now, I'm going to have you flex your head forward and backwards again. In neutral. Yep. Pull these up and back. Good. Okay, let's try that same thing again, see if this feels any smoother to you.
Oh, yeah.
Yep, take a look in the mirror right now, my friend. Look how your pelvis is right down the center now.
That's good.
So you've had a lot of other medical interventions,
Thumbs,
and
too.
surgeries, and ESI injections, and
Yep.
DRX 9000, other chiropractors,
Yeah, acupuncture too.
acupuncture as well.
Yeah.
How has this particular sequence of treatments done for you versus the other treatment you've received?
It relieved me and got me.
It's actually working, isn't it?
Yeah, it's working.
Yeah.
I can't believe that this isn't a.
Standard of care.
Yeah, instead of saying, here you go, we're going to fuse you.
Twist you on your side.
Or medically, I'm saying.
Oh, yeah.
We're going to fuse
Surgery.
you. Or surgery, instead of referring you to something like this.
All right. Well, there's a big battle going on in Texas right now between the medical profession and the chiropractic profession. The MDs are trying to control the medical environment in the state of Texas, but we're not going to let that happen through the Texas Chiropractic Association. Anyway, that's politics. We'll get rid of that. It's snowing, sleeting, and getting bad here in Houston, but we'll still be around, so we'll see y'all next time. This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. Have a great day.